ॐ शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। So we are doing a Swadhyaya of Bhagavad Gita, first chapter. So here in first chapter, what we are observing, that this Duryodhana, the son of Dhritarashtra, is very much concerned and have a fear, and that fear he is trying to hide. He is just looking at army, Pandava's army, and all the fighters and the big fighters of Pandavas he's looking out. And this kind of conversation shows that he's very much afraid. And this kind of conversation teach us that if somebody is doing some adharma or the deed which is not recommended by the Shastra, that person will definitely having a fear in their heart, in his or her heart, whether that fear he will feel immediately or he feels after some time. But whenever we do some sins, whenever we try to hurt someone, whenever we try to do something which is not recommended by Shastra, it will automatically give us such a sanskar. It automatically, create a sanskara, create such a kind of aura, such energy that will feel us negativity, whether immediately or in the future. So here we can see the result that Duryodhana, what he did in past in that game, and he did a lot a lot of bad things. So now, although he is having a good army over here and a very good kind of fighters he has, but still he is not satisfied, and that is very much exposed by him itself. And these slokas are telling us that his mind and his heart and his feeling and whatever he is feeling has been exposed by himself only. So let's go to the fifth sloka now, that is दृष्टकेतुषचेकितानः काशीराजस्य वीर्यवान् पुरुजित्कुन्तिभोजश्च शैयश्च नरपुङ्गवः दृष्टकेतुषचेकितानः काशीराजस्य वीर्यवान् पुरुजित्कुन्तिभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः. Here again, he is just saying something about the fighters. This all will be fight in this big battlefield, the huge battlefield, the Kurukshetra. Where is the Kurukshetra? It is in Haryana district. It is Haryana district, and when you want to see it, you can see this area. It is in Haryana. It's a city, Kurukshetra. It's a city now, so you can see that. Okay, here Drishtaketu. Let's look at the grammar point of view. That Sanskrit grammar. Drishtaketu is Prathama. Chekitanah is also Prathama. Kashirajah is also Prathama. Cha is Avya. Viryavan Prathama. Purujit Prathama. Kunti Bhoj Prathama. Shabhyah Prathama. Narpungavah Prathama. Drishtaketu, again, it's a name. Chekitana, it's a name. Kashirajah, it's a name. Cha, it's avyo. Viryavan means valiant. And Purujit is a name. Purujit means who can, like, Purujit G means have to conquer. It's become from Puru plus G, and then Quip. Quip, there is a Quip Pratyay you will study later. And Kunti Bhojah and Cha Avya Shabhyah, and this Cha is always for end, Narpungava. So these all are the fighters available in this battlefield, and he is just looking out and see in a lot of, see, he is in fear actually. That's what all the time he is explaining about these all fighters. So, and they all are the fighters of Pandav army. They they are fighters like in Bhima and Arjuna. They are big fighters actually. So that's what he is worried about. Drishtaketu, Chekitan, Kashiraj, Purujit, Kunti Bhoj, and here he has mentioned Shebhascha Narpungavah. One he mentioned in last, Narpungavah. He mentioned Narpungavah. So this Narpungava is the best of men. Narpungava means best of men. Okay, so he itself is declaring that they have best of men also available with them. See, he is just going to fight, but he has already he has assured that I'm not gonna get the victory. Uh, see, because see his fear actually. He is explaining in such a detail and in such a way that he has, I think, determined and decided that I'm not gonna get the victory. So that's the thing is showing. And one is Kashi Raja. You know about this Kashi Raja. When my Guruji was teaching me Bhagavad Gita, so he was telling that this Kashi Raja means he is a king of Kashi. You know the city Kashi, Varanasi or Kashi. So he is a king of Kashi, and it's a very good, interesting story about the Kashi Raja. That is actually Kashi, the king of Kashi. Actually, he has a unique thing with him. Whoever is a king of Kashi will have only one son, and that also will be in alternate time. Like if his father is having a son, then this son will not have a son. Then they will adopt some other's son, and then again this son will have a son, but next son will not have a son. You got the point? Then they will adopt. So this is the thing actually. My Guruji told me about this Kashi Raj Parampara, and still they are actually Kashi Raj Parampara is still there. So that is in Kashi. So that's what my Guruji told me, that they have son, only single one son, and that son won't have his own son. They will adopt some son. Then this son will have a son. Then again that son will not have a son. So that's the thing actually. And even no daughter, nothing, only single one son, single. So that's the story what my Guruji told me about this. And here he is explaining about the whole fighters. Let's go to the next sloka. Sixth one. युधमन्युश्च विक्रान्त उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रौ द्रुपदेयश्च सर्व एव महारथः. You want to chant or you want to pronounce? You pronounce so that your pronunciation become good. युद्धमन्युश्च विक्रान्त युद्धमन्युश्च युध युधमन्युश्च युधमन्युश्च विक्रान्त विक्रान्त उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् जाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथः सर्व एव महारथः. Again this Yudamanyu Prathama, विक्रांत प्रथमा, उत्तमौजा प्रथमा, वीर्यवान प्रथमा, सौभद्रः प्रथमा, द्रौपदया प्रथमा बहुवचना, सर्वै प्रथमा बहुवचना, महारथः प्रथमा बहुवचना. These are the names here, and see again they all are good fighter or a great valor. So he is talking about these all are the names of the great fighters here. And till this sixth sloka, he is explaining about the great fighters of Pandava. He is saying they all are the good fighters here. So Yudhamanyu is there, Uttamauja is there, Abhimanyu is there, Sobhadrau means Abhimanyu. Okay, because Subhadra was a wife of Arjuna. Subhadra was a wife of Arjuna, and she is that lady to whom Arjuna used to teach some something like some music thing, some dance during that time when they were in jungle. That time the Subhadra yeah, Subhadra was that lady, and Abhimanyu is that uh, no, sorry, no, I got it wrong. Yeah, Subhadra. This Subhadra is the wife of Arjuna, and this Subhadra son is Abhimanyu because he's a son of Arjuna. Na? Subhadra is a wife of Arjuna, and there are some Draupadi. You know about wife of all Pandava. So the son of Draupadi is also there. So these all are there actually. So Subhadra, I told you wrong actually. Subhadra, not that lady. Subhadra is that lady's name was Uttara. Uttara. Abhimanyu's wife was Uttara, not Subhadra. Okay. Subhadra is Abhimanyu's mother. Okay. You got this? So here actually he has explained about all these fighters who will be fighting from main fighters fighting from Pandava's side. So let's go to the seventh sloka. And now in seventh sloka, he will say that I have explained about and I have told you about the fighters who will be fighting against us. But now it's a time when I should tell you about the fighters who all will be fighting from our side. So, because this guy is in fear actually. Even see, Dronacharya is not asking anything. He just went and start saying this, blah 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 blah. Because when some people are having a doubt or some fear in their mind, na, even you don't ask anything from him, they will start saying the things because they have some interfere. You got it? You don't even you don't ask them, but they will start giving you some excuses, something, something. They will start saying you. So now in next sloka, even Drona even did not ask Pandava's army, and even he did not ask about the Kaurav's army also because he knows the things. The Drona knows the things actually, but still he starts saying blah 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 blah. So now let's come to the seventh sloka. Asmakam tu vishishtaye tani bodh dvijottama nayaka mam sainyascha sanjartham tan brivimite. You want to chant or you want to pronounce it? You can. Asmakam tu vishishtaye tan nibodha dvijottama nayaka mam sainascha sanjartam tan brivimite. Vishishishta tan nibodha dvijottama नायका मम सैन्यश्च संजार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते ब्रवीमि ते. Yeah, asmakam means ours. Asmad, it comes from asmad pratipadik. Asmakam means ours. O-U-R, our, asmad means our. Nayaka, it's a sixth case, and this one is bahuvachana, and two means whereas, it's a avya whereas. Vishishtaha means important. Ye, those who, it comes from yad pratipadik, and tan, it comes from tad pratipadik, and tan means them. Niboda means please know actually, you should know. He's saying like that. Dvijottama, he is calling to Dronacharya. Dvijottama means a person, like when a person born actually, so he doesn't have any sanskara, so that is the one janma, and after that when he have a sub sanskara, he has been initiated, or he is being initiated by the acharyas for sanskara, like upnayan sanskar, that thread is there, all the things sanskara will come, then he takes some second janma, so second born, so that is called dvi janma. That then it called dvijottama. Dvij one two times. Dvij means two time he had taken the birth. Because first time when he has taken the birth, and when he born, actually he didn't have any sanskara, that's what not counted. So when the sanskar is done, then only he become a dvij. So he is saying to Dronacharya, you are the dvijottama, means you are the best one in all dvija, all twice born, mean all brahmana. So dvij is a synonym for brahmana also. So you are the most important, or you are the most one, you are the cream, you are the well learned among the brahmans. So he is calling to Drona, Dvijottama. Nayakaha means leaders. Who all are the leaders here? That is Nayaka. Nayaka. Then cha avyapad mam. Mam is the my. Mam is my. Yeah, asmad. It comes from asmad pratipadik. Okay, it comes from asmad pratipadik. Shainascha is the sixth case. Shainascha. Mam is also a sixth case. Asmad pratipadik. If you see in your book, you'll see that asmad pratipadik, and from asmad pratipadik, when the rupa will come in sixth case, it will become mama. So this shainascha is also sixth case. Okay, that is the for sambandha. Shashti is for sambandha. Sanja artham is means he want to introduce, in order to introduce. That is so that's what this sloks the shlokas, grammatical things are there. And when we go a little bit about knowing that what exactly this shlok is trying to say actually, asmakam ars tu also visishta, the best. So when we look at the English of this, he's saying no, best of Brahmanaj. He's saying to Drona, oh, best of Brahmanaj, those who are important on our side, those who are commanders of my army. Nayaka. Nayaka means commanders. Commanders of my army. I shall name them to refresh your memory. Now he has started to tell fighters from who is going to fight from his side. Doesn't Drona know? You tell me, doesn't Drona know? Drona know everything. Drona knows everything, but still this person Duryodhana is having some doubt in his mind, and he is not saying to Drona. In fact, he is saying to himself actually. He is saying to his fear actually, because one thought is running inside mind, that is the fear thought actually, a full of fear. So he is just try to hide that thought, and he is just try to suppress that thought by saying to himself. He is we are seeing that he is saying something to Drona, but he is not saying something to Drona actually. He is saying to himself. That's what this this one is. Oh, best of Brahman, those who are important on us. He is just giving a little bit satisfaction to his mind actually, because he knows that we want to get victory. That's the thing actually. That's what he say. Oh, best of Brahmanas, those who are important on our side. Because earlier he has already explained the great fighters from Arjuna's side or from Bhima's side and all. So now he is trying to say that, oh, best of Brahmanas, Dvijottama, those who are important on our side, हमारे साइड में भी जो important हैं, those who are the commanders of our army, जो हमारे साइड में भी कमांडर हैं, which all are the commanders, हमारी सेना में भी जो कमांडर है, I shall name them to refresh your memory. So it's like that. You're getting the points, na? Yeah, let's come to the eighth sloka. Bhavan Bhishmascha Karnascha he has started to tell. Bhavan Bhishmascha Karnascha Kripascha Shaminjayah Ashwathama Vikarnascha Somadatyashtatheva cha. So now he has started actually. Now he has started to tell that who all are there in my army. And hmm, hmm. भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च कृपश्च समितिञ्जयः अश्वत्थामा विराटश्च सोमदत्ति सोमदत्तिर्जयद्रथः सोमदत्तिर्जयद्रथः सोमदत्ति सौमदत्तिः सौमदत्तिः जयद्रथः. Yeah. These all are the fighters actually. Bhavan means he is telling you. Who? You means who? Drona. Yeah. Bhavan means Drona. Bhishma. Bhishma, you know. Cha Avyapad Karna. Karna here is again I am telling you from grammar point of view. Kripaha. Cha Shamitinjah. Okay, and Ashwathama, Virataha, Somadattihi, Jayadratha. These all are the fighters from this side. It's saying Dronacharya is there. Bhavan means Dronacharya, and this Pitamaha Bhishma is there, and this Karna is there, and this Krapacharya is there. Krapascha, Krupascha, Ashwathama is there. Vikarna is there. Somadatta, Somdattihi. Somdattihi means Somdatt's son actually. Somdatti, this word Somdatti is there, na? Somdatti. Somdatti means son of Somdatta. Somdatti means son of Somdatta. You can make your notes also. Bhavan means who? Drona, Bhishma, Karna is there, Kripa is there. Shamitinja means who is a very victorious in war. Who is very victorious in war. That person that called actually Samitinjaya. Ashwathama is there, who is a already who is a son of this Dronacharya. He is also a great fighter. Vikarna is there. He is a Vikarna is see, one is Karna and one is Vikarna. Vikarna is a brother of Karna. Somdatti is a son of Somdatta. So that's what he is saying. That yourself, Bhishma, Karna, and the victorious Kripascha. See the word Kripascha. We see na in Kripascha Samitinjaya. Kripascha Samitinjaya means Krip. That Kripa is who is very victorious. Who is that? Who is very victorious. Kripa is very victorious. He is also with us actually. He is just just saying for his own satisfaction. Ashwathama is with us. Vikranta with us, and Jayadratha is also with us. Okay, so that's what he's saying, that Somdattas putra ho Somdatti Somdattasya. So that's what he's trying to say. He's just saying that we are also capable to fight and get the victory, but that is not the truth. That he is just saying actually, but inside the hidden truth is hidden fear is there in his mind. So let's do it till now. Okay, we'll do it less tomorrow. Okay. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।